干你！Get the box. Go.
Don't mess around anymore. Come with me, Peter. Oh no, be careful with the rope. Don't affect the guy next to you, Henry.
Pa.
NANI?
？Hello, everyone. These are my two funny dogs. With them, you just laugh all day. Ha ha.
回来！哎。
Be careful not to break all those dishes, Harry.
NANI?
？Odin, what are you doing? Why are you standing in the kitty bed? Is it because the kitty is in your bed? Huh? Is that it? Oh.
牛蛙1个月没吃饭，别饿，让汉用力震死它。
Mila, quick!
Police department, search warrant.
NANI?
What are you doing?
Hey, dog, sit still and let me touch your head.
You're a good boy, Stan. Good boy. Look, they're gonna evict us. Give us some rent.
My dog is like a baby. He has to be fed when he eats.
Let's go.
This is the game that my cat Harry likes the most.
Look at.
Are you hungry? You want some breakfast? Why are you making that face?
Look.
Sit.
那什么，取关的那个人，你快点给我关注回来！我本来有10个粉丝，怎么剩9个啦？哇，长得不好看啊！
Did you just wake up, or are you so confused, Peter?
Ну что за милота, я не могу. С первым снежком тебе, Пипа. Какое счастье.
NANI?!
Okay. Appreciate these little snacks you provide. Nah, come on. Nah, bruh. Nah, bruh. Get that out of here, man. I ain't with the beneficial nutrients out here. You got tricks up your sleeve? See, now we cooking with grease, man. You try to pull up with the... Nah, bruh. Nah.
Hop down here so we can get a good picture, Harry.
Bruh, get that...
It stinks. Nice and good.
Hi.
I'm hungry.
Breakfast.
Yeah, we're dogs. Dogs that live near each other. Hey, are you guys dogs? Yeah, we're totally dogs. Both of us.
Watch my dog trying to get the hat off his head.
You think you're in the mood for a walk? Are you in the mood for a walkie?
Who are you hiding up there to scare, Kiri?
Oh, hey there, kitty. Don't mind me. I was just coming to say.
Come on, Maggie. Come on.
Just kidding.
I'm going to...
Do you want to go to the bathroom, or is this just a joke on you, Peter?
Why y'all do this? Oh my god. What's up with them and that chair?
Hey Alexa, what does a dog sound like?
That mouse is not food. That mouse is our friend. Relax your hands to let the mouse move.
Don't. No! Get this idiot. Hi, kitty.
Oh, can I get a wow? Give me that wow.
What are you doing?
Every time I play billiards, my cat looks like that.
NANI?!
In the beautiful countryside painting, there were two dogs named Cooper and Bailey. Cooper, a robust terrier with boundless energy, and Bailey, a famous golden retriever known for his gentle demeanour. Both were inseparable companions of each other. Their ordinary days were always colorful with exciting adventures that often led to humorous pranks. One sunny morning, Cooper woke up with a fiery idea in his mischievous mind. He decided to play a prank on Bailey, his closest friend. Sneaking into Bailey's warm doghouse, Cooper carefully placed a cushion under Bailey's usual resting spot. Then he hid behind a bush, eagerly waiting for Bailey to arrive. As Bailey stepped into his doghouse, he sat down at his usual spot, unaware of Cooper's prank. The cushion made a loud fart noise, startling Bailey. Perplexed, Bailey sniffed around, trying to figure out where the sound came from. Meanwhile, Cooper hid behind the bush, trying to contain his laughter. Bailey, determined to unravel the mystery, began sniffing around the doghouse. He accidentally bumped into a bucket of water, causing it to spill all over him. Cooper burst into laughter, unable to contain himself anymore. Bailey, wet and bewildered, finally realized it was all a prank. Despite becoming the subject of Cooper's prank, Bailey couldn't help but laugh at Cooper's silliness. Cooper wagged his tail, happily chasing after Bailey, running circles around the garden in sheer delight. From that day on, Cooper and Bailey shared countless adventures, each brimming with laughter and camaraderie. They roamed the countryside together, spreading joy wherever they went. Their friendship proved that even the silliest pranks couldn't break the bond of true friendship.